Hello and welcome to Kent Denver Robotics YouTube channel.
We are from Kent Denver School Robotics.
We created these videos to help explain commonly used engineering tips that can help you when you're building.
Today, we will be talking about the design process.
The design process is critical when building something. Engineers and inventors have used it when building everything from the car to the iPhone.
Through organization, trial, and error, it helps create the most effective design possible, for anything really.
There are specific steps one must take to complete the design process. The first is the request for proposal, or the RFP.
The RFP states the problem that your robot or product needs to be able to solve.
The request for proposal could be something as simple as a VEX game manual or your teacher asking you to complete a project.
From this, you create the requirements document. The requirements document outlines all the requirements that your robot or product needs to be able to fulfill.
The requirements document is written in the forms of shoulds and shalls.
Shalls are requirements that your robot or product needs to be able to fulfill in order to count as a valid design. Shoulds are requirements that, while they are nice, aren't necessarily necessary.
With these requirements and ideas in mind, it's time to start designing.
Typically, many designs are thought up. They all need to fulfill all the requirements outlined in your requirements document.
These designs are then debated, possibly rated, and brought down to a select few that are to be built and tested.
And then it's time for testing.
Each product is tested in different categories to make sure that it is effective as possible when fulfilling all requirements.
After this, the final design is chosen and built.
But you're not done yet.
Because the design process is a process, it never really ends. You're constantly having to refer back to your RFP and back to your requirements document in order to ensure that your design is as effective as possible. Normally, this results in numerous modifications.
Well, thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And happy building!